Hi everyone, today's video is about how to use the SAP standard ALV templates which are available in SAP standard package SLIS. So let's go to transaction code SE80 and we'll select package over here in the drop down and the package name is SLIS. Now this package has all SAP standard programs and reference which is related to ALV. So let us expand this program. So first of all, why I'm showing this video is because a fresher had pinged me and asked me about how to use ALV grid and he wanted some sample programs. So here are the sample programs. Now let us just scroll down. Here you have the test program to display SLIS. So what you need to do is you need to copy these SAP standard sample programs and replace it with the database table or the structures which you want to fetch. So if you see over here, this is the SAP standard program which does all this work. All you need to do is you need to replace it with the table name and the type table. Now this GT flight will be defined as a structure which has reference to S flight. So this should be replaced with your structure name as a reference, and then you can just copy paste this program and use it at your own convenience. Now wherever these fields and other things are used, you can change it accordingly and you can use it. So let's just scroll down over here. This is for HTML template, not this one. Let me just scroll down. So if you see over here, BCALV full screen demo, and then you have this BCALV full screen on demo classic. Let's see the demo program first. Again over here, preference is given to SFlight. This will be replaced to the structure name which you want to display, or else you have to define the fields which you need over here in this structure and just copy paste it again over here. The structure name should be changed to the one which you want to refer to, the database structure SE11, and use the program. This select query should be modified to the one which you want to use and just execute it. So if I execute it, right now it is showing the SFlight details. But if you replace it with your table name and the select query, there also you replace this select query, it will be, you can just copy paste it and make changes wherever it is needed. And this program uses use ALV grid display over here. The next one is classic one, wherein you have all these events and other things. And this one uses reuse ALV list display. The same thing, wherever SFlight reference is given, you just need to replace it with your own database table or structure reference. So here SFlight is used and so on. Also, there will be a select query on SFlight. So this also needs to be modified to the one which will be corresponding to your database table fetch. Now this is for reuse ALV list and grid display. Now if we scroll down, there are various programs which are related to processing print events, dialog box container, etc., whatever other options are available. For each sample programs are given, you can just copy paste them and then use the functionality, or just copy paste the relevant functionality and make the changes accordingly. You need to do some browsing and self-study over here. The next one is BCALV grid demo display. So this again has a select query on SFlight and a screen is defined over here. and the structure name which is passed is SLIS. It needs to be replaced with your own database table or structure name. And again, if you see over here, there is a select query on SLIS. So this needs to be replaced with your own relevant select query. And then again, this uses the custom grid container and the ALV CLGUI ALV grid class to display the output. Similarly, related to this class CLLV GUI CLGUI ALV grid class, you have few other classes programs related to that for edit, and then you have different other options, so you can explore this as well. Now again, you have these 4 templates available over here which are relevant to again the ALV grid display only, and this one also uses the object oriented ALV grid program, and these are substandard templates which are available. You can just copy paste this program and make the changes wherever relevant. Primarily, it will be the data declaration to the structure which you want to populate the data and display it on the ALV grid. And then it will also be related to the select query which you will be putting to fetch the data and passing it. Again, wherever you are defining the field catalog, that method also needs to be changed according to your own requirement. So you have various templates. So these programs can be blindly copied, and the relevant changes for database fetch, the field catalog, and wherever the reference of the structure, display structure is used, can be changed and reused. This reduces your effort significantly. So there are many other reference programs which are available, which you just need to identify what is your requirement, what suits your requirement, and then copy paste the code accordingly. So that's it from my side. Thank you. Bye.